equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Today, we are diving into the process of replacing the charging port on your Lenovo IdeaPad. This task requires some specific tools and a bit of patience, so let's get started. First, gather your tools. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a pair of tweezers. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small components. Begin by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. It's crucial to ensure your device is completely off to avoid any electrical issues. Next, remove the back cover. This typically involves unscrewing several Phillips screws. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you'll need them later. Once the back cover is off, you'll want to locate the charging port. It's usually situated near the battery. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean the area around the port. Dust and debris can interfere with the connection, so use a soft brush or compressed air to clear it out. Now, carefully disconnect the battery. This step is essential to prevent any short circuits while you're working. If you're unsure about this process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so don't hesitate to reach out for help. With the battery disconnected, you can now focus on the charging port. Use your spudger to gently pry it away from the motherboard. Be cautious here. You don't want to damage any surrounding components. If you find this step challenging, keep in mind that we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional assistance. Once the old charging port is removed, it's time to install the new one. Align it carefully with the connectors on the motherboard and press it into place. Ensure it's secure, as a loose connection can lead to further issues down the line. After the new port is in place, reconnect the battery. This is a straightforward process, but if you're feeling uncertain, remember, no calls, no travel. We can help you with this repair without you needing to leave your home. Now, replace the back cover by aligning it properly and securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tight and secure. Finally, power on your Lenovo IdeaPad and test the new charging port. If everything works as it should, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the charging port. If you encounter any issues, don't forget that we offer a quote before repair, ensuring you know what to expect before proceeding with any further work. And that's it. You've completed the replacement process. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.